welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special day because it's 26th of April and exactly 1 year ago on this day I posted my first video, and thank you so much for your support. So today, to celebrate this special day, I have with me my mother. So today we are going to bake a cake so that you guys can bake along with us or just watch and have fun. So let's welcome her into the frame.
Hello.
So today we're gonna bake a seasonal cake for you guys. So let's hop right into the video.
Yes, today we are going to bake a mango cake. So here we have 1 cup of mango pulp.
So this is mango pulp. We've put it through a mixer and it's fine. So we're gonna put this into our pan.
So without water you have to make the pulp of the mango. Okay, I will guide her and she will make for you.
Next ingredients. This is half cup of sugar we're gonna add to our mango pulp. Now we're gonna switch on our gas. And we're gonna stir it continuously until it thickens.
So basically we want to put the mango pulp and we want to reduce the moisture of it, and then we have to cool down it, and that pulp we are going to make for the cake. So let's talk something else till the mango pulp cooks. So how do you feel after one year, completion of 1 year?
I feel amazing, and I recently saw that my first video has 1,000 views, which I'm very happy about. So thank you everyone whoever watched it for it. And I would like to know if any of you guys actually tried doing that at home. So let me know in the comment section below. Also, my mother has her own cooking channel, so I'll make sure
So
to
do watch my channel also.
So I'll make sure to link her channel down in the description, so go check it out. And don't forget to subscribe. So the color of our pulp looks beautiful here. I've used Alfonso mangoes here, so that's the reason the color looks very nice and orange and vibrant. So this is gonna add a little bit of color to our cake as well. So when it starts to bubble like this, that's when you know that your pulp has thickened up. So I'm gonna switch off the flame and I'm gonna let this cool down aside for some time until we prep our cake base. So now let's start making our cake base.
So here we have 1/4 cup oil, any oil which doesn't have a smell. Powder sugar.
This is half cup of powdered sugar.
Always use powder sugar for cakes.
This is
Milk.
1 cup of milk, but we'll add half of it first and we'll see the consistency of our cake and add the rest of it later.
And the mango pulp which we have.
So we're gonna add half of it to our cake base. So now let's whisk this all together. It should be well combined.
So always we
Whisk
should
it.
mix the wet ingredients separately and dry ingredients separately.
One more tip is that always whisk in one direction, or you'll beat out the air that you whisked into your ingredients. we're gonna place a sieve over this and add 1.5 cup of maida. One and a half teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. So let's whisk this all together. Be gentle, don't overmix the batter. So the reason why we sieve a mixture is it incorporates more air into the batter and it will make it fluffier. So make sure there are no lumps in your batter.
I think little milk we should add it.
So your batter has to be flowy and just make sure it falls off the spoon very easily, like it falls into ribbons. I'll show you what that consistency is so that your cake will be perfect.
So do not add milk at a time. Always add in batches.
Also remember, before you start mixing your batter, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So here there are no lumps in the batter. We'll add our mango essence to it. If you don't have mango essence, you can add vanilla. Doesn't make
You
it
can totally skip the essence.
Yes, because our mango is gonna give an amazing smell and an amazing flavor already. Just mix it till it's incorporated. So this is the consistency you're looking for. It should fall down easily off of your spoon, whisk or spatula. Let's put this into our cake tin. So I'm pouring this into a 7-inch greased pan and it has a baking paper on the bottom of it so that it will be easier to release the cake from the pan. So my mom is gonna help me scrape up the ball. The color is very pretty, as you guys can see. It almost reminds me of a mango ice cream. We're gonna tap this and make it even. And release all the air bubbles that are there in the cake. Now we're gonna bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes.
Yay, 35 minutes are over and our cake is baked. So Pranjali, can you please bring the cake?
Coming. This looks very beautiful.
Show me. Oh wow.
So this is the cake that we just baked right now, and the color is so beautiful and it's just the perfect consistency and it's very spongy. So we originally had a plan of putting icing over this, but the color is so beautiful that I don't want to cover it up with white icing, which is so basic. So we might just have it with some powdered sugar on the top. Oh my god. Now is the hardest part of the video, to wait for it to cool down so that we can finally unmold it.
Because everyone is waiting for the cake to cool down.
This room smells like a, mango ice creams that you get outside.
Yes.
It smells so delicious.
Really?
I cannot wait to have this.
So after some time we'll unmold it and we'll cut it. So let's meet after some time. Finally we decorated the cake. Very simple but sweet. You can see.
Yay! Congratulations, Pranjali.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
So first let me introduce you guys to everyone here. This is my father. This is my grandmother. This is my sister, elder sister. And this is my mother, as you know from the video today. So let's get into eating this cake.
Yes.
Yay!
Do it fast. They are waiting.
Come on, Pranjali. All the best to you for your future.
Happy 1 year.
Oh, I love
Cake
the
is
color.
very spongy.
Are you guys waiting for the reveal?
They've been waiting ever since it's out the oven.
Wow.
I like a cake. Big piece for the big boy. Mena? Not for you. And for my videographer mommy.
Actually, special person should eat this na first.
It tastes really nice.
Very good, Pranjali.
The color of the cake looks like we put in food coloring, but it's all from the mango.
Magic of Alfonso mango.
So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe and do try it at home. It's a very nice recipe and mangoes are in season, so give it a try.
Subscribe her channel and support her and me also. Bye.